Hi, so welcome back to my channel. So we've heard the rumours about the DJI Mini 3. So it's expected that it's going to come in two versions. So it's going to come with the DJI Mini 3 and the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So the Pro's expected to be quite pricey regarding the Pro tag to it, and most likely come with a 1-inch sensor for the low light capabilities there. So it's going to come with a 1-inch sensor. So I'm just going to go through the pricing with you now. Okay, so let's just have a look at the pricing, what we expect the DJI Mini 3 is going to be, or the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So the pricing as follows here is the DJI Mini 3 standard. It's going to come in at $518. So that's just going to come with the drone and the normal DJI controller. And then we're looking at the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Pack, which is going to be coming in at $785. That'll be the drone, the DJI controller and 3 batteries and some extra accessories, maybe ND filter and a shoulder bag as well. And then you've got the DJI Mini 3 plus the DJI RC controller, and that will come with a screen. So the controller will come with a screen, so you don't have to use your phone. So that would be a really good, like the Pro RC controller that you get with the Mavic 3. And that's going to be coming in at £1,099. So that'll come with, like I said, with the 3 batteries, a bag, ND filters and more accessories as well. Then you've got the DJI Mini 3 Pro standard, which is looking to come in at $675. And then the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Combo coming in at $942. And then the DJI Mini 3 Pro plus the DJI RC controller, that's going to come in at $1,256. So the other rumours and leaks is that the DJI Mini 3 will be a bit different to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So they're saying that the Mini 3 Pro is expected to improve on the Mini 2 with a larger 1-inch sensor, bigger battery as well, and going to include obstacle avoidance sensors, so keeping the drone and the weight below 250 grams as well. So that should be good for beginners, with the obstacle avoidance on there. So, you know, if you're a beginner drone, you're going to have the safety and the confidence to fly the drone, because it'll have the obstacle avoidance on there to detect anything there as well. Hopefully it should have forward, back and downward sensors as well. Probably won't have the 360 sensors like the Mavic 3, but it should have like the standard forward, facing down and backward sensors, so that gives you confidence in flying the new DJI Mini 3 drone. So these are not the configured, you know, pricing that DJI are going to set out. So, you know, these are just the rumoured pricing, but I would say, you know, it's going to be near enough that price you're going to expect when this drone does launch around the end of April. So, you know, if you could like and comment below as well on my video, that would be much appreciated if you like the video and the leaks regarding the DJI Mini 3. And if you could subscribe to my channel, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because I've got loads of tech videos coming up in the future. So hope everybody's all good, enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon.